Hi everyone. In our previous session, we have learned how to create a business rule to whenever a parent record is created, the task record should be created. So we'll see that once and we'll go on to the today's use case. So these fields I have added short description and description using form design. So you can check it that. And when a record is inserted, let's insert a record. So So when this record is inserted, a task record should be created simultaneously after inserting the parent record. So yes, we have got this task record inserted. So this is the task record. So here also I have added these two fields to explain today's scenario. So today's scenario is this is we used for new records to insert a new record. The business rule has been written in the previous session. So today we learn how to update the task record based on parent record. Okay, the child record based on parent record. So let's say when the state changed to in progress, updating this parent record to status as in progress and short description and description to something. So the same has to be done with the task. Okay, the status should change to in progress and short description and description should be matched with the parent record. So this is the task record and this information should match with the parent record. So for that we will configure a business rule today. So let's start. Let's open business rules. So let's create a new business rule on the Korea table as we are working on it. So give it name as update Korea task. Okay, and select table here, the Korea table. Mark advanced true so that we can do scripting. So we have to select after update as I mentioned earlier. So what are the action we are doing? We have to mention that in the business rule. So after updating the parent record, status is in progress and short description, whatever the updations have after. So then we have to update the task record. So for that we have given here after update, and we'll add a condition here like status is changing to in progress. So let's do like status changes to in progress. So okay, then in advanced section we need to query the task table and we have to update that. So let's write this glide record to the Korea task table. So the task table name is this, and let's add query. So we have to check it with the parent record sys ID as it is a reference field here. So we'll add this parent record field name. So the current whatever the current record is updated, then its attached task or child record will be updated. So we have here it is, and here we have to give the current record sys ID as it is a reference field. Okay, then we have to query that, and if any records are found, so for that we will write gr.next, then we have to update here. So here we'll update the status first. So the status should be in progress, right? So let's copy the field name, txt underscore status is equals to, that is in progress. We have created this choice when we have created the table and form. So let's write in progress here, and the short description field, this will match with the parent short description. So for that we have to write like the field name of the task short description is equals to the current records short description, which is a parent. Okay, let's give the field name of the current short description. So we have to mention like this, and then we'll match map description also. For that we'll take description field name, it is underscore description, and we'll match with current record which is parent. Okay, then you have to write your dot update as it is a after business rule we have discussed. we have to write gr.update. We are updating the record, so we have to write gr.update. And we can add an info message if you want to mention that the parent record has been updated, so the task record has been updated. So for that, we can write task has been updated just to inform. Otherwise, you can ignore it based on your use case or requirement. You can do that, but you can ignore it. So let's save this and let's check how it is working. So I have updated the, I have created a business rule to update the task, the child record where the parent record is updated. So here we'll check these fields. The status field is already there. We'll add short description and description field to the status courier task related table. So that you can get some details here. Okay, so you can see here the status is new, the short description is nothing, and description is nothing. So the business rule we have written when this is changes to in progress, and let's add something here. Let's add testing update BR. BR means business rule, okay? And in the description we can give the same. So let's save this and see how it works. Okay, now see, as you can see, we have received the information message, and here it is the status of the task changed to in progress, and the short description and description are matched with the parent's short description. So this way you can configure the update business rule. Okay, we'll learn something else in the next sessions. Thank you.